In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this JAMB economics problems under the subtopic types of money and value of money. So guys, we have about 16 to 17 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, which of the following is true about the value of money? So we have it varies directly with the price level, it varies inversely with the price level, it is not affected by the price level, it depreciates in the period of deflation. The right answer is that it varies inversely with the price level. Okay, option B, very important. Next question is this one. It says an example of commodity money is silver. Option D. Okay, silver, gold, these are examples of commodity money. Next question is this one. It says the act which involves melting a coin and recoining it using parts of inexpensive metal, thereby reducing the intrinsic value and increasing nominal value, is known as. So we have debasement, devaluation, depreciation, deflation. Right answer is option A, debasement. Next question is this one. It says Graham's law in economics shows that bad money drives out good money. The value of money varies inversely with the price level. Good money drives out bad money. Gold must be available to maintain the value of paper money. The right answer is that Graham's law in economy shows that bad money drives out good money. Option A, very important. The next question in this one, it says the value of money is directly related to the demand for money, inversely related to the price level, inversely related to supply of money, directly related to price level. So the right answer is option B, inversely related to price level. Take note of this question. The next question is this one. It says the money that commands a higher market value than its face value is called fiat money. Yes, that's the right answer, guys. Take note of this question. Option A is the right answer. Next question is this one. It says the purchasing power of money depends upon the real value, index, price level, wages. The right answer is option C, which is price level. So the purchasing power of money depends upon the price level. Option C. Next question is this one. It says an issue of banknotes not backed by gold but by government securities known as. We have seigniorage, fiduciary issue, guaranteed money, legal tender. The right answer is option B, which is fiduciary issue. Okay, next question is this one. It says if a basket of commodities cost 120 naira in the base year and 240 naira in the current year, calculate the price index. So I think we have dealt with how to calculate price index one of the videos. The formula to apply here is simply you do the price of the current year over the price of the past year times 100/1. So when you punch this in the calculator, 240 over 120 times 100/1, when you punch it, you're going to have 200% as the answer. So the right answer is option A. Okay, so that's it for this video. Next question is this one. It says the term near money is best described as we have a financial instrument that is readily convertible to cash, a financial asset that is convertible to cash, time deposits with low interest rate, government financial instrument that is convertible to cash. The right answer is option A, financial instrument that is readily convertible to cash. Okay, next question is this one. It says during the era of barter, money was generally in the form of we have coins, commodities, precious metals, notes. The right answer is option B, commodities. Okay, very important. Next question is this one. It says money may not be accepted as a store of value if its value is unstable, it is easily divisible, it is easily transferable, its value is stable. So money may not be acceptable as a store of value if its value is unstable. Okay, option A. So that's it for this question. Let's the question is this one. It says the relationship between the value of money and the price level is inverse, guys. Taking to this question, it gets repeated several times. Next question is this one. It says according to Graham's law, bad money drives out good money. This denotes money not backed by law, counterfeit, term money, the based money can and will depreciate per note. Right answer is option D. The base money can and will depreciate per note. Okay, next question is this one. It says, if the real income increases while nominal income remains the same, it can be inferred that employment rate has risen, general prices have fallen, unemployment rate has decreased, general prices have risen. So the right answer is option B. General prices have fallen. Okay, last question for end this video is this one. It says, which of the following is a legal tender in West Africa? Where credit card, currency, share, treasury bills. The right answer is what? Currency. Okay, of that particular country. So guys, this is basically how you can deal with problems involving price of money and value of money for your JAMB economics. Your practice about 16 to 17 repeated questions for these subtopics. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment to this video. Tell me how you feel, what you learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I will be sure to give you a response. So ensure that part of the channel membership by clicking the join button and getting premium information that help you to excel in your exams like a JAMB and other exams you're writing. Okay, so having known this, click on the next corner above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.